everyone, it's Kezzie over here from Kezzie's Corner and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. I would love it if you would join my family. It would mean the world to me. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Jade Eyeshadow Palette from the Bratz collaboration with Makeup Revolution. This is the palette I'm going to be using today and this is the look I created. So if you want to see what I thought of the palette and how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So let's begin. So today, as I told you, we're going to be dipping into the Jade palette. I'm wearing a kind of outfit and I'm about to take some outfit posts. And I feel like the outfit I'll be wearing is totally Jade. I don't know, in my head, it just reminds me of Jade. I don't know. Let's begin. I'm just going to do some face makeup and then we'll jump right into the eyeshadow. Don't know what I'm going to do yet, so I'm very excited. And today I'm just going to literally just play with the palette and see what comes. Basically not like when I did Chloe and I kind of went back to my doll, created a look basically inspired from that. I will also be linking down my playlist, which includes all the Bratz videos. This is my second one, so hopefully you will see more in the future. So the first product I'm going to be using is this one, the Strawberry Whip. And this one is from Makeup Revolution and I absolutely love this. I forgot it comes out sort of skin color rather than like a plain white cream. I forgot about that. I've done my brows though, so that's done. And for foundation, I kind of want to use the Conceal and Hydrate foundation from Revolution. Absolutely love this foundation. I'm just going to cover my forehead. Yeah, we have already covered it. That's why I love this foundation. It's a very good full coverage foundation, but it's hydrating as well. That makes it amazing. There's not going to be any lashes in this video because I'm literally preparing to go take some photos of the outfit I'm wearing. Oh goodness, I am looking so pale. For concealer, let's use this one. This is the Heartbreakers from Makeup Revolution concealer. Don't worry, we will contour, we will bronze, and we will contour our faces like no other. I like the combo of these two. Ooh, see, now my face is lighter than my neck and shoulders, which means I have finally gotten a bit of a tan. And this is not fake tan, okay? This is like a real tan. Okay, so for a powder, we're going to be using, I'll tell you soon, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. This is the Radiance powder. And to be honest, I don't think I've used it much. So I'm just going to set mostly my under eyes and my T-zone. And I think so we'll have sort of the bronzer ready as well, so I look a bit less white. I'm going to be using the Chocolate Heart bronzer from, again, Makeup Revolution. Is this one right here. And that one is it. We're going to give ourselves some much needed color. See, like from the photo on the box of Jade, that Jade uses quite a lot of blush. So I'll add that in, I think, later. So I'm just going to literally put just a bit of bronzer. Now the fun part is obviously playing with the Jade palette. So here we go. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll show you the palette first. So this is what the palette looks like. It's just this beautiful, stunning palette of Jade. And then, what does it say? It says, girls with a passion for fashion, because that's what was like the song. And then this is the beautiful, beautiful palette of Jade. Let's just jump right into it. I'm going to try and obviously only use this palette, not use any other. So we'll see. I think I found a brush. I need to wash my brushes again. It's not good. Okay, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I feel like I should do a green look. We're just going to try it out. I don't know. So, okay, let me tell you what I'm actually taking because I haven't told you. So I'm going to take Runway Walk as the first shade. So we're gonna take that shade first. So let's just use this one. I'm going to use this one because I want to use some greens and I don't know, in my head for now, like this looks like the best shade to start with. Obviously, you know, basically going to go to how I figure this out along the way. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Next, I didn't notice that this was not a matte, but we're still going to use it. I'm going to be using this one. Yes, we'll use this one, which is called Self-Expression, which is that green. But like, I know it's like a shimmer. Maybe I could just like first press it on. Like, wow. Like, even though it is a shimmer, it still works very, very well. I am impressed. I'm just pressing it on, guys, so that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of dipping my brush quite into it. Oh, I really like that. Now I'm just going to take Runway Walk, the first shade, and I'm just going to blend both shades. I am obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna take Mini Skirt because it looks like a really cute color. And, well, actually, no, I'm not going to take Mini Skirt. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a bit of Trendsetter, which is this one right here, which is that green. So that is what I'm going to take. And then we'll take Mini Skirt, which you will see what shade it is later on. And this one is going to be my outer corner shade. So I'm going to literally do like a small wee triangle. Like that. I'm going to fluff my brush. That's what I like doing. See? Who says you can't use one brush for all? Yeah, it's better if you change your brushes, guys. Just saying. But yeah, we're on a time crunch here, so I don't do that. But I'm just going to blend this in with the shade Self-Expression, which is blending so beautifully. Like the shade. Whoa. Ooh. My days. I absolutely like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Self-Expression again. I'm just going to build that up. Ooh, girl. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing now on the other eye. I prefer this eye than the other one, but what you're going to do, I'm going to take Runway Walk again. Maybe this one we should actually take a new brush, but we're not. And I'm just going to like add it to the top layer again. Absolutely gorgeous, guys, absolutely. Okay, so I guess we could do a cut crease, which would make things easier. Okay, so this one is the Cut Crease Canvas from Revolution. It's my favorite product to use when I have to apply a cut crease. Like, I never apply anything else. Like, I do sometimes try, but nothing beats this. Like, this is the easiest product that I find to use to create a half cut crease, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm going to first start by number one applying, so I need a flat brush first, of course. So I'm going to first apply, okay, I'm going to apply Mini Skirt, which is that shade right there. Okay, so that is the first shade, and I'm going to apply it all over. Okay, first I can apply it with the brush, but then I think I'm going to, yeah, I have to go into my, in with my fingers. Yeah, I'm just going to go in my fingers, guys, because I think it's easier. Ooh, look at the difference of that shade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade I used, Trendsetter, the dark green, okay, and I'm going to just blend that into Mini Skirt, I think. Yeah, Mini Skirt. Ooh, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to build Mini Skirt again. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with another brush. Now I'm going to use another brush, guys, because yeah, I cannot do this anymore without another brush. And I'm going to go into Self-Expression, and I'm just going to pat it. Ooh, absolutely love that. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually put like my outfit, which is this one right there. So actually I wanted to show you the proper shade of it. Like, look at that. That is beautiful. And I'm just gonna take it on my fingers and I'm going to just apply it onto Mini Skirt. Absolutely loving this look so much. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. I'm not going to do anything else. Maybe just add a little bit Yeah, like that. Ooh, girls, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing now on the other end. I'll be right back. We're back, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take Self-Expression, which was that light green shade, and that is the shade I'm gonna choose for underneath my eyes. Usually, like with Bratz, you'd have like that liner, but as I told you today, we're not going to be doing like exactly like the Bratz. And yeah, so the thing what I want to do now is I want to do an inner corner highlight, and I think I'm going to take Prom Queen as that inner corner highlight. It might be a bit too dark, but yeah, no, perfect. And I'm going to curl my lashes. Take this one. This is my favorite Revolution mascara by far. This is the Lift and Define 5D Lash Mascara. No more playing around because I will continue playing around. I'm going to add a bit more bronzer. So going back in with that bronzer. Okay, so I want to use this one, Pink Lady. I've never used it before. So I'm going to take a little bit, not a lot. Or maybe a lot. Oh dear, that's too much, but... Oh, for highlight, you know what I want to use? I kind of want to use the same one we used as our inner corner highlight, the Prom Queen. I was going to use this one. This one is, I think, my favorite one, probably. Brunch. I always use this. I love this one. And to set everything up, I'm going to be using this one. This one is the Hydrate and Fix. Kind of think it went everywhere but my face. And this is the finished look from Jade's palette. Absolutely love this. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit to see the green look we created. I used different colors, I guess, than I would normally use, and I know we could have done like the lashes, but I need to go. So I will talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!